Now, and we come to chapter 10, method of virtual work. Virtual work in Chinese is 虚工. I will explain it in a minute. What this is. In Chinese, it's 虚工, virtual work. Up to now, especially in chapters 3, 4, and 6, forces are vectors, right? And we always work on vectors from week 2 and up to now. We always work on vectors, right? And we have magnitude and we have direction. Now, let's think something else. Let's do something different. Actually, some statics questions can be worked with scalars. And this is in mechanics or in statics. Work is a scalar, okay? Work here is, of course, in general English, it means 工作, but in mechanics, it means 工. Now, I think you have learned in the high school what is how to calculate work, right? 工 W 等于什么? Okay, very good. W is equal to F times S, but here, because we want to make a scalar, we want to make work as a scalar, so F dot S, okay? We use scalar products here, F dot S. This is if we have F and S in different direction. Of course, if F and S are in same direction, that is W is equal to Fs. But if F and S are in different direction, we would say W is equal to F dot S. And work is a scalar. If we have motion, if we have a displacement of dr and we have a force F, so in this case, F is equal to, let's look at the figure here. If the particle moves from A to A prime, should I use, let's say this way, from A to A prime, and this is, therefore this is this motion is dr. Because the original position of A is r, and after motion, that the location, it is now at r plus dr. Now, of course, the displacement or the motion of have you heard of this word? And I'm not sure. Let me write it down. Displacement is 位移. Displacement. If the displacement from A to A prime is dr, so what is the work? Work is equal to, and of course we have a force here. F dot dr, which is equal to F times dr times cosine alpha. Is that okay? If F and if the force direction of force and displacement are not in the same direction, that we have this cosine alpha. Take your time to write it down. Now, and after that, we will discuss a very important theory. It is called principle of virtual work. In Chinese, it's 虚公原理. Take your time to write it down before I go. Before we talk about principle of virtual work, and I want to talk a bit about your high school physics or calculus, actually. Now, if S is displacement, if S is displacement, then what is ds dt? That if S is displacement, if then what is delta S over delta T or ds dt? And let's take a look.